Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Tutorial Lore. Today I am going to teach you how to set up shipping in Shopify for fast and affordable delivery. Be sure to stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel Tutorial Lore. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Shopify app first. Download and open the Shopify application from the Play Store or App Store. Step 2. Go to Settings and select Shipping and Delivery tab on the three-line menu at the bottom. Scroll down and tap Settings, then select Shipping and Delivery. Step 3. Set up shipping rates under the General Shipping Rates section. Tap Manage Rates. Now you can add flat rates, free shipping, or calculated rates based on weight and location. Step 4. Add shipping zones. Scroll down and tap Create Shipping Zone. Select the countries or regions you want to ship to and set specific rates for each. Step 5. Enable carrier calculated rates. For fast and affordable delivery, enable carrier calculated shipping rates like UPS, FedEx, or DHL. This allows customers to see real-time shipping costs. That's all for today's video. Hope you have understood how to set up shipping in Shopify for fast and affordable delivery. There is no easier way than this. If you still have any doubts, drop a comment and I'll definitely reply or make a video on your topic. Hit the like button, press subscribe, and leave a comment. It motivates us to create more tutorial videos for you. Thank you for watching.